from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Toyota Aygo here on a 2015 plate. 2015-2016, I've just done a race stop lamp on this one. What I'm going to do now is do the HR2 bulb, which is the main dip bulb. As you can see, that there is working. This one isn't working. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you how to replace it. If you just turn the lights on 1 sec, come forward. Now this is the plug basically we're going to take out. So just come in here, yeah, that's brilliant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect it first. Push on the clip. Okay, it's a bit tight. Doesn't want to do it. So I'll forget it, I'm going to leave the clip on. So I'll do twist it to my left. Take the whole thing out. Just remember how you take it out, that's how it goes back in, so the plug is facing down. So once I get it out, all I now need to do is push on this and then take the whole thing out. That's it. So this is the bulb we're replacing. It is a HR2 bulb. You'll find the link for it in the description. If you did want one, you can get one from the link. And if you did find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. Just going to take this out. That's a bit tricky there. So I can just plug it back in, make sure it clicks in. That's it, it clicked in. And then just remember how I took it out. That's how I'm going to put it back in as well. So twist that to my right, job done. That's all it was. Now we're going to check, see if it's working. Lights on please. That's lovely, that's working. That's all it was on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.